Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the Cheerful Hummingbird stained glass window hanging. A delightful piece that brings a splash of color and charm to any room with its vivid depiction of a hummingbird family perched on branches. Crafted from high-quality glass, this stunning Suncatcher is available in 2 sizes, meticulously designed to add a touch of artistry to your home decor. Perfect for any space, from bedrooms and living rooms to kitchens and gardens, this versatile piece lets sunlight dance through its colorful glass, creating a magical ambiance. Installation is a breeze with the included hanging chain, allowing you to easily showcase its beauty near a window or on any wall. This enchanting bird's family wall decor makes an ideal gift for bird lovers and is perfect for spring and summer decor in gardens, patios, and balconies. With its unique water ripple texture and vibrant bird pattern, it's a thoughtful gift for loved ones on special occasions like Mother's Day, Christmas, birthdays, and anniversaries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting product features. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.